The courtroom was tense as the hearing began. The judge carefully reviewed the case, already aware of the defendant's history and previous chances given by the court. Lawyers, court staff, and spectators sensed that this would not be a routine proceeding. The judge made it clear from the start that honesty and accountability would be expected. The courtroom setting makes it clear that justice is not just about procedure, but about responsibility. From the beginning, the judge establishes that truth and accountability will guide the outcome. The defendant attempted to justify his actions by offering excuses and minimizing his responsibility. He relied on technicalities, promises of future improvement, and sympathy to avoid serious consequences. The judge identified this behavior as an attempt to take the easy way out, rather than accepting full accountability for repeated mistakes. The defendant's attempt to take the easy way out ultimately fails. Excuses and avoidance cannot replace genuine responsibility, especially when the court has already shown patience. At this point, the judge directly confronted the defendant. He explained why these excuses were unacceptable and exposed the pattern of poor decisions and broken trust. The judge spoke firmly, emphasizing that the court had already shown leniency and that continued dishonesty would no longer be tolerated. The judge's confrontation reinforces the authority of the court. It shows that repeated chances do not mean unlimited forgiveness, and honesty is essential in the justice system. After considering the facts and the defendant's conduct, the judge made a decisive ruling. The bond was revoked due to violations of its conditions and a clear failure to respect the court's authority. This decision signaled that freedom on bond is a privilege, not a right, and must be earned through compliance and responsibility. Revoking the bond highlights that freedom comes with conditions. When those conditions are violated, the court will act decisively to protect the integrity of the law. The defendant was taken into custody immediately, facing the consequences of his actions. The judge closed the hearing with a strong message. Accountability cannot be avoided, and the justice system will not reward repeated attempts to escape responsibility. The ruling served as a reminder that real change requires honesty, effort, and respect for the law. The final outcome delivers a powerful message. Accountability cannot be escaped. Real change requires action, not words, and the justice system will not tolerate repeated attempts to avoid responsibility.